Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Ranisa Wulan and I'm from State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. In this good opportunity, I would like to present the material about summarizing the data, mean and median. At first, what is interpretation data? Data interpretation or interpretation data is the process of making sense out of a collection of data that has been processed. And data interpretation refers to the implementation of a process toward which data is revived for the purpose of arriving at an information conclusion. And the data interpretation assigns a meaning to the information, analyzes and determines its significance and implication. And then summarizing data. The function of summarize itself to simply the data and quickly identify what looks normal and what looks odd. Distribution of variables shows what value the variable takes and how often the variable takes value. Uh, the steps of summary statistic are used for summarizing data. There are two for summarizing data. It's mean and median. What is mean? The mean is the average of data, which the sum of all the observation divided by the number of observation. There are two steps or two methods of calculating the mean and the example. The first step is add all the observed value in distribution, and the second step divide the sum by the number of observation. And for the example, the wait times in minutes of 5 customers in a bank are 3, 2, 4, and 4, 1, and 2. The mean waiting time is calculated as follows: 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 and plus 2 and divided by 5 and equals 2.4 minutes. On average, a customer waits 2.4 minutes for service at bank. Uh, Interpretation data mean use the mean to describe the sample with a single value that represents the center of the data. Many statistical analysis use the mean as a standard measure of the center of distribution of the data. What is median? A median is a middle value of a set of data that has been put into an order. Similar to the median on a highway that divides the road in two, the statistical median is the value that divides the data into two halves, what with one half of the observation being smaller than the median value and the other half being larger. There are three methods for identifying the median. First, arrange the observation into increasing or decreasing order. And two, find the middle positions of distribution by using the following formula. It means that middle position is number of observation plus 1 and divided by 2, and if the number of observation is odd, the middle position falls on a single observation. But if the number of observation is even, the middle position falls between two observation. And the third step is identify the value at the middle position. If the number of observation is odd and the middle position falls on a single observation, the median equals the value of that observation. If the number of observation is even and the middle position falls between two observations, the median equals the average of two values. For the example of median, 7, there are data such as 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, and 19. So for the solve is 13 plus 14 and divided by 2 equal 13 uh, 13.5. And for the interpretation data, median, in the interpretation the data at the median and the mean both measure central tendency, but unusual values called outliers affect the median less than they affect the mean. When you have unusual values, you can compare the mean, and the median to decide which is the better measure to use. If your data symmetric, the mean and the median are similar. Thank you.